This grilled chicken wrap is one of those recipes that saves your lunch, your dinner, and your mood. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 1.5 pounds total. Pat them dry, then drizzle over 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, then add 1 teaspoon of each, Italian seasoning, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Simple, balanced, no chaos. Toss it until every piece is coated. Get your grill hot. Indoor grill, grill pan, outdoor grill, whatever you've got. This isn't a flex, it's dinner. Grill the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes per side until it's nicely marked and hits 165 degrees. Temperature doesn't lie, people do. Thermometers don't. Pull the chicken off and let it rest for 5 minutes. Don't skip that. If you cut it too early, all the juices run out and now you're eating regret. After it rests, slice it thin against the grain so it stays tender. Now grab 3 extra large flour tortillas. Extra large is non-negotiable unless you enjoy food falling into your lap. Warm them for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, just enough to make them soft and flexible. Time to build the wrap. Start with about 1 cup of mixed lettuce, add a handful of sliced tomatoes, toss on thinly sliced mini cucumbers for crunch. Add sliced avocado, about half an avocado per wrap, and some very thin red onion. Thin is the key here. Flavor, not attitude. Top it off with that sliced grilled chicken. If you're adding dressing, keep it light. A small drizzle of ranch or yogurt dressing is plenty. This isn't a salad drowning situation. Roll it up tight, bottom up, sides in, then roll like you mean it. Wrap it in foil to keep everything together and make it portable. Clean, neat, no mess. And listen, this wrap works because it's balanced. High protein grilled chicken wrap, fresh vegetables, healthy fats from avocado, and nothing extra weighing it down. Plus, it tastes way better than whatever you were about to order. If you enjoyed this one, hit that like button, subscribe for more real food that fits real life, and head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe, nutrition facts, and all the details. I got you.